Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to block the pop-ups on your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. So let's get started. Now, if you are using the Chrome browser, it's going to be really simple. You just need to open up your Chrome browser and click on these three dots up at the top here. And then go to the settings and scroll down to site settings. And then you're going to go down a little bit further to pop-ups right here. And if this is turned on, you need to turn that off. This way it blocks pop-ups from appearing whenever you are using the Chrome. Now let's say you may be using the Samsung internet itself. So we are going to open up the app. The same setup here, you are going to go to the three lines, these three lines here. Go to the settings and then here we are going to search up basically block pop-ups. And here you are going to ensure that, for example, block pop-ups is turned on. So the pop-ups are being blocked and any other of these options are pop-ups that you don't want. If you don't want the open external apps or any of these, you're going to go ahead and check all of these and you will be good to go. Now, one of the final steps that you can do if you are getting the pop-ups outside of these two browsers, you can also go and set up a custom DNS to block trackers and ads. In order to do that, you need to open up your settings, then go towards connections. In connections, more connection settings, and then in private DNS, instead of having this off, you are going to turn that on and you are going to type in dns.adguard.com. So just type that in and click save. Now with that setting turned on, it's going to go ahead and block ads on your device. So that's how you can do it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year. Peace.